Pettingale. Today's case study is the Heard Craig Center for the Arts and Museum in McKinney, Texas. This is a stunning 7,000 square foot historic home built in the early 1900s and complete with a charming carriage house to the side. This was a significant masonry restoration project as the exterior walls were being pushed inward due to soil compression. Utilizing specialized tools, we carefully salvage and clean each individual brick for reuse, as they are no longer manufactured. We ground out and repointed all the chimneys with color-matched mortar. We also restored 3 sets of damaged brick steps and replaced the hand-carved custom stone caps. In addition, we repaired the stone floor of the gazebo, ensuring every original detail was restored and preserved.
The Heard Craig House Museum, a beautiful historical house in McKinney, Texas, built in the 1900s. Soil had compressed under wet conditions from the sprinklers and had pushed the masonry veneer inward. Heavy effervescence on the brickwork at soil level. Sections of masonry had been tried to repaired in years gone by, but not correctly. SMR hand dug a test pit to see what the masonry was supported on. It was supported on caliche. Here the view of the old repaired area from under the flooring. The whole house is supported on an old bodak wooden piers. It's very hard wood. At the base of the bodak pier you can see where water pools when it rains heavily. SMR removed the damaged masonry veneer. Columns of brickwork supporting the porch area were visible in this picture. Here you can see the compression of the soil that has pushed the masonry veneer inward. A new concrete supporting grade beams were designed and installed to stop compression against the masonry. Left-hand side of the porch area, the masonry has been restored. Access to work areas was gained under the porch itself. Over the years, the mortar had eroded and SMR repointed using matching lime-based mortar. A view of the right repaired section waiting to be cleaned with brick cleaner. All the bricks had to be carefully salvaged and cleaned of mortar debris. The clean bricks and matching mortar, when rebuilt, gave this a new look. The path had been damaged by a heavy truck driving over the footpath. Removing the pavers, we could see that the original pathway had been covered by brick pavers in the past. A close-up shows how water was trapped between the 2 layers, causing problems with winter's freeze and thaw cycle. SMR used a specialized grinding machine to route out the bed joints. SMR ground out the most damaged areas of mortar. A view of the repaired path using coloured matched mortar. SMR was asked to look at the gazebo as this was in distress also, with cracked mortar and stonework. SMR took apart all the damaged stonework on the base of the gazebo. The stone was relaid and awaiting new woodwork to finish the gazebo off. All the chimneys were in need of repointing with colour-matched mortar. Access was gained by a boom lift. The rear of the building highlighting the height of the chimneys. The steps at the rear were grinded out and repointed with new mortar also, and new stone was laid on top of the columns, which was hand carved. The Head Craig house was restored by SMR to a beautiful working capacity.
Well, I hope you found this video helpful in understanding just what we do at Specialised Masonry Restoration Historical Division. Should you have a contract or project in mind, feel free to contact us. Thank you very much.